Multiple Sclerosis by Amanda Kohut, Allie Chrisman, Julie Sebastian, and Abby Knuffel. MS is a chronic, typically progressive disease involving damage to the sheaths of nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord. It affects multiple organs in the body due to its origin in the brain and spinal cord.
Cell-to-cell communication, or signal transduction, is how cells give and receive messages with its environment and itself. They depend on these interactions to survive since they are isolated. In multicellular organisms, signal transduction allows for specialization of groups of cells. It allows them to work as a team in order to accomplish things single cells could not do on their own. Normal signal transduction occurs in 3 stages. The first is reception, where a ligand, a single molecule, binds to a receptor protein. The second is when the signal is turned into a cellular response, also known as transduction. And the third is when cell signaling leads to regulation of cytoplasmic activities, also known as transcription. Nerve cells communicate by sending electrical signals called potentials down long fibers called axons, which is contained in an insulating substance called myelin. However, in multiple sclerosis, the body's immune system sends cells to attack the myelin sheath of these synapses. When this nerve cell is damaged, nerve signals slow down or stop due to high amounts of inflammation where the myelin is degraded. This demyelination can occur along any area of the brain, optic nerve, and spinal cord.
MS is not recessive or dominant. It's more thought to be an autoimmune disease that attacks itself. It's linked to genes but not defined by them. MS is a disease of temperature climates. In both hemispheres, its prevalence increases with distance from the equator. Some studies also suggest that many viruses, such as Epstein-Barr, varicella zoster, and the hepatitis vaccine, may be the cause of MS.
The exact cause of MS is unknown, but as previously mentioned, environmental, viral, and genetic factors are theorized to cause of MS. Most patients with MS show a defect on chromosome 6 in the HLA region of the short arm, and more specifically in the DQ region. The HLA complex helps immune systems distinguish the body's own proteins from proteins made by foreign viruses and bacteria. When this gene is changed in any way, the immune system malfunctions and attacks the body's own tissues and organs. Symptoms of MS can include temporary vision problems, which can consist of blurred or double vision, bowel and bladder problems such as sporadic bladder, and urgency to pee, and constipation. Fatigue, both mentally and physically, cognitive issues in the prefrontal lobe, which affect short-term memory, and pain and severe depression are also symptoms.